This home is definitely a must-see. Spacious floor plan that is really bright and open. 4 large bedrooms with ample closet space, 2 bathrooms. The master retreat is very large with a great ensuite bathroom. The home features new epoxy metallic flooring throughout, new concrete stained countertops, updated cabinetry, sinks and fixtures. So many updates so that it is so ready to move right in. Newer HVAC, roof, siding, gutters, water heater, garage doors and fence. Also boasting of a formal dining room and office space, or you could make it 2 living rooms. The large living room features vaulted ceiling with wooden beam, fireplace and cabinetry for storage. Such a great place to call home. This fabulous neighborhood features a pool, tennis courts and playground. So close to shopping, restaurants and schools. Large covered front porch and back patio, perfect for entertaining and cookouts. Impressive landscaping and luscious lawn. Definitely a must-see. Highest and best due 4/21 at 5 p.m.